What is up, boys? It is your guy, Jake Missing here, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be playing a bit of Would You Rather. So
I'm here.
It's I'm joined by my good friend
Dr. Bird. Subscribe to me or else.
Oh god. I think. Okay, right. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so would you rather drive a moped on a tightrope or go over Niagara Falls in a barrel? I don't know, because if you drive a moped on a tightrope,
Well, it could be over like a 3-foot fall.
I think because if you go over Niagara Falls in a barrel, you'd most likely die at the end, wouldn't you?
Yeah. If there's water, unless you could easily guess that, if there's rocks and trees.
I think I'm gonna drive a moped on a tightrope. What? No!
Zach says it's not a naughty word. He says foot, okay?
I'd rather eat a plate full of poo. What?
Eat foot, I've done that before.
Wait, what? I think I'm
I'm nuts.
okay.
It's really nice if it's media repetitive.
I think eating a human food. Who wants to eat their food? Would you rather burp extremely loud every 30 seconds or let out a really long-lasting fart every 5?
One on the right.
Oh yeah, left. Yeah, who wouldn't? No. Thing with farts, right?
I do that all
They
the time.
stink brew, man. Would you rather be married to a Jersey Shore housemate? Oh no, or be married to a Real Housewife cast? Oh, that's horrible. So would I rather live on a beach or live on in America or somewhere nice? What would you choose? I don't know actually. So would you rather be married to a Jersey Shore housemate or be married to a Real Housewife cast? Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. I think I'd rather be married to a Real Housewife.
Yeah.
Because then I don't have to see them, but I would live in a really nice house. Thanks. Would you rather work a minimum wage job for the rest of your live in the wilderness? I mean, I'd rather personally live in the wilderness for the rest of my life. Because if you get paid minimum wage, there's no point working, is there? Really?
But if it's for the rest of your life, you could like
No!
kill every animal. Snort.
I'd rather snort ghost chili juices because if you snort liquid nitrogen, you die.
Yeah, ghost chili juice. Oh, yeah. That would just really
Oh, okay. Would you rather be? Wait. Would you rather be a? Would you rather? What? What? Okay. Would you rather be a morning person or a night owl?
Morning person, I'd love to wake up early and not feel any.
Yeah. Oh, what?
Night owl.
Oh.
I really want to see the comments of this.
Okay. Well, anyway, guys, I think that's going to wrap it up for this video today. If you did enjoy, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to Explosive Awesomeness.
Or AKA King Crazy. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next